Offboarding users in your secondary applications from your primary organization is seamless and can be done in real time. In this example, we have two Okta orgs, Okta ICE, which is the primary org, and Okta Secondary, which is the target org. These orgs are already connected using the Okta org-to-org application, and API integration has been enabled as well. We've also checked off the ability to deactivate users. Users can be deactivated in the target organization from the primary organization in two different ways. One is to unassign the application from the user in the primary organization. The second is to deactivate the user in the primary organization. To demonstrate user deactivation, let's first verify our assignments. We see that Bob Jones, Tom, and Sally have been assigned this application in the primary organization. As we take a look at our secondary organization, we see that the provisioning has been successful, as we see Sally, Tom, and Bob here. To demonstrate user deactivation, we're going to first unassign Sally from the application in the primary org. Although we unassign this application, Sally is still an active member within the primary organization. But we see in org 2, she's now considered deactivated from the secondary organization. Bob, on the other hand, is now going to be deactivated in the primary organization. This deactivation will also unassign him from that application, and then we're going to be able to see that the secondary organization can pick that up as well. This type of deactivation and offboarding is very important as it helps protect your organization when the time comes to deprovision a user from either an application or your entire organization.